The animal kingdom is bursting with an incredible variety of humongous creatures, each more fascinating than the next. We're talking insects that are bigger than your cell phone and jellyfish that can sting you from almost 100 feet away. Mind-blowing, right? But amidst this mind-boggling diversity, it's the true giants that really capture our imagination. These majestic beings, whether they're roaming the land or ruling the seas, have an awe-inspiring grandeur that's simply unmatched. Their sheer size and presence demand attention and leave an unforgettable impression on anyone lucky enough to witness them. In this awesome video, we'll dive into the world of these magnificent giants, exploring the top 5 largest animals that exist in our world today. Join us as we uncover the secrets of these incredible creatures, revealing their extraordinary features and discovering more about their remarkable lives. Get ready to be blown away by the wonders of the animal kingdom like never before. The blue whale, the first largest animal on our list, is truly a magnificent marvel of nature. It's not only the largest animal to have ever lived on Earth, but it's also a fascinating creature in so many ways. These incredible marine giants can grow to a height of nearly 5 meters, reach lengths of about 30 meters, and weigh an astounding 190,000 kilograms. Just to give you an idea of their size, the heart of a blue whale is as heavy as a small car, and the arteries that surround it are so incredibly large that an ordinary person could swim through them. But that's not all. The brain of a blue whale can weigh up to 6.8 kilograms, making it the second largest brain in the animal kingdom, only smaller than that of a sperm whale. And let's not forget about their captivating vocalizations. These majestic creatures are known for their mesmerizing calls, which can travel hundreds of kilometers below the surface of the ocean. These vocalizations are believed to serve as a form of communication among them. The second largest animal on our list is actually the green anaconda, which happens to be the biggest snake on Earth. We call it the giant emerald anaconda because it's truly colossal. It weighs up to 250 kilograms and can reach a mind-blowing length of 9.1 meters. Now, here's an interesting fact. While it's not the longest snake ever recorded, reticulated pythons can stretch beyond 10 meters. The green anaconda takes the crown for being the largest when you consider both weight and length. This magnificent serpent can be found in vast regions of South America, including most of Brazil and neighboring countries. With its powerful coils, the green anaconda constricts its prey and enjoys quite an appetite, ranging from jaguars and caiman to small deer. Now, because of its massive size, the green anaconda has a few adaptations that help it survive. Its dark green coloration helps it blend into its natural environment, providing camouflage as it lurks in the waters of swamps and slow-moving rivers. Its nostrils and eyes are positioned on the top of its head, so it can stay mostly submerged while still being able to breathe and keep an eye on what's happening around it. Next up on our list of magnificent animals is the ostrich, one of the most magnificent animals out there. It's pretty amazing, you know? These birds are bigger than most others, even though they can't fly. They can reach a height of up to 2.7 meters and weigh around 145 kilograms. Their eyes are the largest of any land animal, measuring a whopping 5 centimeters in diameter. Talk about seeing the world in a big way. These majestic creatures also lay the largest eggs of any bird species. I'm talking about eggs that measure 15 centimeters in length and weigh as much as 2 dozen chicken eggs. Even though ostrich eggs are pretty huge, they're actually the smallest relative to the size of an adult ostrich. While it's widely recognized that ostriches are exceptional runners, a lesser-known fact is that their unique anatomy aids their ability to sprint. With only 2 toes that resemble hooves, ostriches can effortlessly navigate their environment. This sets them apart from most birds, which typically possess 3 or 4 toes. Let's talk about the fourth animal on our amazing list, the polar bear. Can you believe it's not only a formidable hunter, but also the largest land carnivore? When we measure their height, we do it at the shoulders while they're on all fours. On average, polar bears stand between 1 and 1.5 meters tall. An adult male polar bear can reach over 3 meters when they stand on their hind legs. From head to rump, they measure between 2.2 and 2.5 meters, and their tail adds an extra 7.5 to 12.5 centimeters. Oh, and did you know that bears are incredibly smart creatures? They have superior navigation abilities compared to humans, excellent memories, and they even use tools for various purposes, from playing to hunting. And let's not forget their deep care and concern for their family members. Bears are ready to risk their lives and get into fights to protect their offspring or siblings from danger. It's really heartbreaking to see how deeply they are affected by the loss of a loved one. Cubs have been observed to whine and cry when they're separated from their mothers. This sorrow can last for weeks if hunters take the lives of their mothers. The final majestic creature on our list is none other than the giraffe, proudly holding the title of the tallest mammal worldwide. Standing at an astonishing average height of 4.8 to 6 meters, this gentle giant boasts an impressive neck length of 1.8 meters, and the baby giraffes enter the world after a lengthy 15-month gestation period, already measuring a remarkable 2 meters tall. One of the most fascinating things about giraffes is their long tongues. They can extend them up to an incredible 50 to 53 centimeters. And here's an interesting tidbit. Giraffes are among the least sleep-dependent mammals. They only doze off for a mere 4 hours per day. Can you imagine that? Whether they choose to lie down with their necks gracefully resting on their bodies or stand upright, these remarkable creatures make the most of their limited sleep time. Now let's talk about their amazing eating habits. Thanks to their long legs and necks, giraffes have the remarkable ability to feast on leaves nestled high within the canopy of towering trees. Talk about a delectable buffet. Other animals simply can't reach that high. Using their prehensile tongues, giraffes expertly pluck tender shoots and leaves from the branches, savoring each bite. They sure know how to dine in style. So you have a list of the 5 biggest animals that will totally blow your mind. We've got everything from elegant sea creatures to monstrous snakes and massive land mammals. These animals have some seriously cool adaptations and behaviors that set them apart from the rest. Hope you have found this video to be informative and interesting. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such content.